It's funny, right? We always think to work on something, be it our body, work, project, but after a certain time, we lose our interest. And that's because of lack of system. This book says in order to create your habits, in order to build or stick with good habits, you should build systems because motivation will go. It's like spark, definitely. But when you have systems, you are going to follow that particular task, that particular habit for a long time. So let's understand how to actually stick with good habits, why most of the people fail at sticking to good habits, and the benefits of habit tracking. And lastly, we will also discuss, what to do when you fail and what to track and what not to track. Because too much tracking also feel monotonous, right? So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. If you are struggling to stick with good habits, you should must watch this video. Okay. So first thing is first, why most of the people fail at sticking with good habits. कि problem कहाँ होती है? Okay, let's discuss that. So in order to stick with good habits, प्रॉब्लम यहाँ आती है कि आपके पास कोई विजुअल्स नहीं होते हमारे पास. हम कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ही मोनोटनस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू आर लैकिंग. Okay, no matter how attractive your goal is, no matter how good the results will be, but if you're not creating systems, you are bound to make mistake, you're bound to break that consistency. So this is the main thing. Let's say if I am marking daily basis in calendar, okay, the workout is done, the journal is done, the reading task is done, okay, so automatically I'll create the momentum, okay, for further days. Every day I will feel so motivated कि यार मुझे ये complete करना है, okay, because of momentum. Yesterday I did, day before yesterday I did, so next day also I will do it. Okay, so that's why you need visuals, be it in a journal, in a to-do list, be it on calendar. You should always create this environment, the work environment. Okay, so now understand the benefits of habit tracking. See, when you maintain track, you can see your progress, the very first benefit. And when you see your progress, automatically your mind, your body will push you that you can't break this cycle. Okay, you will see your progress, you will see your calendar, you will see your to-do list, that this is something, progress I'm making it. So when you see your progress, the benefit is that you are going to follow that. Okay, you will follow the momentum. The second benefits of habit tracking is it's motivating and satisfying. Let me tell you, मैं अपनी ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस को मेंटेन करने के लिए अपनी जर्नल में एक छोटा सा स्पेस होता है, वहां पर मैं 3 to 5 लाइन्स आई राइट एवरी डे, एंड it is so motivating for me that I'm maintaining track and I can see my previous gratitude notes as well, okay, whenever I open my to-do list. So that is so motivating because I'm maintaining track, and it is so satisfying, okay, when I take the right mark there, when I complete that task. It is amazing. So जब आपको जब आप हैबिट्स को ट्रैक करते हो तो ये बहुत सेटिस्फाइंग लगता है. मतलब आपको लगता है कि हाँ, आप प्रोग्रेस हो रही है, you are able to see something related to your work, that this is something done and I'm seeing changes. And if you're not seeing changes in the initial days, that's fine, but after a certain time, after a month, after 2 months, you will definitely see. So make sure that you are tracking your habits. And thirdly, it builds your identity. जब आप रीडिंग करते हो ना, तो आप रीडर बनते हो. When you do workout, you become fit. So whatever you are doing, it creates your identity. Okay, so always go for habit tracking. It's always amazing to track your habit and to see your progress. Okay, just do it. It's gonna definitely create a big impact in your life. So there are times when we all fail to track our habits. So what to do in that particular situation? See, according to this book, it says if you are skipping for one day, that's fine, but make sure that you are not repeating it. Okay, one time you can skip it, but on the very next day, you should come on track. And if you are still skipping it, that means you are creating a new habit. Okay, because one time mistake is acceptable, but not second time. Okay, so this is the main thing here is that whenever you break the cycle, it's okay. We are human being. Sometimes there are some urgency, some important work is there. So that's why we lag. But make sure that you are not skipping for 2 days because you are going to create a second habit of skipping. And the thing is that when not to track your habits. See, habit tracking should be beneficial. It should not be frustrated. अगर ये आपको फ्रस्ट्रेट कर रहा है, आप मतलब बहुत माइन्यूट माइन्यूट चीज़ों को भी आप अगर आप ट्रैक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, ठीक है, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती है कि यार मुझे लाइक every single calories you're counting, every day you are checking your screen time of every single app, so it is monotonous. And let me tell you, not everything needs a track. Okay, not every habit of yours need track. No, there is one thing more you can do: automate. Let's say your steps can count your phone, and there are many applications through which you can maintain track of your habits. So lastly, I just want to say habit tracking is really amazing in order to stick with good habits. हमें जो भी हमारा गोल होता है, पहले हमें उसके लिए प्रॉपर सिस्टम चाहिए होता है, तभी जाके हम उसको अचीव कर पाते हैं. और जब हम किसी हैबिट को ट्रैक करते हैं और व्हेन वी सी आवर प्रोग्रेस ग्राफ, the feeling is really amazing. Okay, so make sure to try these things which I have shared in this video, and definitely you will see a results within a month. Okay, within a month, in 30 days you are going to see the changes. And just start any habit, stick with it, create system for it, and work really hard for that, and you will see a progress. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.